So I'm making cabbage and carrot salad. It's a common Jamaican vegetable salad. So I'm just gonna clean my carrots and then cut everything to small, shred everything and mix them together with a nice sauce, and then that would be or served with our dinner. Today is Sunday. Alright, so continue to watch the video. So I'm just gonna clean my carrots. Okay, so if you have a sharp knife, you're just gonna go down the center of your cabbage. So you need to cut it. That's how you want it to look. So make sure the knife is sharp. You need to get it has to be very thin slices. Because remember, we're usually serving this. Raw. So that's why you want to cut it along here to get those real nice thin slices. I'm not doing a very good job, but alright, so I'll come back to show you what it looks like. The carrots, so I'm gonna use my shredder grater. If you put them on the small side, my shredded carrots, and I have my cabbage. So I'm just going to mix everything into a bowl. At this point you can add your dressing to it. So if you have whatever dressing you desire, you're going to add to it. It's nice and colorful. If you have any sweet peppers, you can add that to it. Alright, so it's nice, simple vegetable salad. But I'm going to do some red onions to my salad, and this is optional, so I'm gonna do some of that and add it to it. Add a bit of color, and it helps with your gut. So I'm gonna add onions to mine. So I'll just, I won't use a lot, just peel off this outer layer, and then I will and I'm just going to use my sharp knife to cut them thin like that with your ringlets. So if you like raw onions, this is totally optional. It's a personal choice. Yeah, so that's it. Beautiful. So I'll put this in the fridge to chill, and I'll serve it with my dinner. So whatever vegetables you have, you can add them to your salad.